Hi, I'm Pam Plager, a mobility specialist at Triple S Mobility. We are a manufacturer of the Easy Ride rear entry conversion. But because we buy back vans, it is not uncommon to have several other conversion types on our lot. In this video, we will view a variety of different types of ramps and features for the rear entry wheelchair van. Size is a key feature of a ramp. Ramps range anywhere from 29 inches to 34 inches in width. The wider ramp gives extra security when traveling up the ramp. Length of the ramp is also important. The ramp on our Easy Ride conversion is shorter than some on the market, providing superior rear window visibility as well as safe and easy entry. Longer bifold ramps can inhibit visibility and require extra room for their extension. Ease of closing and opening a manual ramp depends on the weight and opening mechanism. This is critical for the caregiver who repeatedly loads and unloads their loved ones. The Easy Ride conversion features a lightweight aluminum powder-coated ramp which is counterbalanced and spring-loaded. Not only is it easy for the young to operate, but many of our older customers also enjoy the ease of use. We've provided a customized longer handle for many of our customers. Once the ramp has closed, several conversions have an additional step of clamping the ramp in place. Several conversions, including the Easy Ride conversion, install carpeting or rubber on the hatch that once closed secures the ramp and reduces any ramp rattles. For those requiring power ramps, ease of operation is important. Triple S Mobility provides an easy-to-operate magnet in the rear tail light, allowing the ramp to be lowered. Some conversions provide a separate key fob to raise and lower the ramp. The benefit of the dual fob or magnet is the ability to identify a problem should it occur. The separate operation allows you to identify whether the problem is with the van or the ramp. All power ramps have a toggle switch to change from automatic to the manual mode. This allows the ramp to be lowered without burning out the motor and allowing the wheelchair and its occupant to be removed from the van. Compared to the side entry ramps, the rear entry ramps are typically wider by several inches. The rear opening features a roomier entry with no contact with the doorway. Because of the wider ramp and opening, many that started their mobility freedom in a side entry wheelchair van have converted to the rear entry van. For those new exiting the rear entry wheelchair van, getting used to the wheelchair casters turning around is important.
When you go to back up, you have to allow 6 to 8 inches for those casters to turn back around before they line up again. So when you're backing up, the chair may do the little Watusi wiggle, but just hold your joystick straight back and watch all the casters turn around before they line up. And again, that takes about 6 or 8 inches to happen.
Rear entry conversion not only provides a roomier entry and easy parking, but the lowered floor of the van is not as close to the road as many side entry models, providing less of a chance for grounding. We at Triple S Mobility are here to help you with any of your wheelchair van questions or special needs. Because we are a manufacturer, no additional fees are added to the price of the van. In addition, we are in the business of solving issues and can make adjustments to fit your mobility needs. At Triple S Mobility, we're here to serve you.